Okay.
Got it, go.
Okay, Matt's going.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my God.
Oh my God, he started an avalanche.
Oh,
Oh shit. Don't go down there,
Quiet,
Matthew.
quiet. Can't hear you.
oh my God.
Try to get that on tape.
Yeah.
No?
No, she's saving Matt. If she moved the camera off Matt, he'd have a cow.
I don't even know if I got Matt.
That was real big.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna go. Put the camera away and go.
Shit.
That was
What?
big. He
Why-
must have set it off on purpose.
No, he didn't.
No, I don't think he did.
They usually know right where the line is. Oh, you filming, Brett?
Yeah. I don't think I got Matt. Whenever you guys said that, I looked up because I heard it. Sorry, Matt.
Matt, look what you did.
Thank God there weren't 17 inches of snow on it.
No kidding.
Thank God there was nobody traversing across there.
Did you hear it?
Yeah.
You could hear the sound.
My hands are shaking.
It came off all the way up there.
Matt hates being down in that gully, too.
That's where the guy was killed.
Yeah.
Isn't it, Don?
Yeah.